Good morning, children. Thank you. How are you? I am very fine. Now I am going to explain about Pythagoras theorem. First of all, ratio of area of two similar triangles and converse of Pythagoras theorem removed from the course by CBSE. Therefore, we have not studied exercise 6.4 because exercise 6.4 is related with area of two similar triangles, which is removed. Now, Pythagoras theorem, the statement is that in a right angle triangle, the statement of Pythagoras theorem is that in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. Suppose that we have given a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, then have to prove AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now, construction, draw BD perpendicular to AC. BD is perpendicular from right angle B to hypotenuse AC. Now, in triangle ABD and triangle ABC, in RHS similarity we have read about it. Angle A is common in both triangle ABD and ABC. Angle ADB equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Therefore, two angles of triangle ABD and triangle ABC are equal. Therefore, by AA similarity, triangle ABD similar to triangle ABC, and hence their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, AB by AB equal to AB by AC. By cross multiplication, AB square equal to AD into AC. Again in triangle BDC and in triangle ABC, we have given angle C is common and angle BDC equal to angle ABC 90 degree. Again, both triangle BDC and triangle ABC are similar by AA similarity and their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, DC bata BC equal to BC bata AC. By cross multiplication, BC square equal to DC gune AC. Now, from 1 and 2 we get on adding AD multiplied by AC plus DC multiplied by AC equal to AB square plus BC square. Take AC as common. We have AD plus DC equal to AB square plus BC square. AD plus DC equal to AC. Therefore, AC multiplied by AC equal to AB square plus BC square. And hence, AC into AC equal to AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. And the statement of the theorem completed. Students, हम लोग RHS सिमिलरिटी थ्योरम 5 पढ़ चुके हैं, उसको दोबारा पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है। उसका यूज यहाँ हम लोग करेंगे First of all, we have given sides of triangle in exercise 6.5 and have to verify that are the sides of right angle triangle or not. In question number 1, we have first question, we have given side of a triangle 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter and have verified that are the sides of right angle triangle or not. 7 squared plus 24 squared equal to 49 plus 576, that is equal to 625, which is the square of 25. Here we see that the given side makes the right angle triangle with hypotenuse 25 centimeter. Therefore, the sides 7, 24 and 25 makes a right angle triangle and hence hypotenuse is 25 centimeter, which is the largest side of the triangle. In question 2 of 1, we have again 3 sides, 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter and have to verify are they side of right angle triangle or not. Now 3 square plus 6 square, smaller sides equal to 9 plus 36, which is equal to 45. That is not equal to 8 square, the largest side of the triangle. Hence 45 does not equal to 64 and these are not the side of a right angle triangle. It form triangle but not right angle triangle. In question number 2, we have given PQR is a triangle, right angle at P and M is a point on QR such that PM perpendicular to QR. Then have to show PM square equal to QM plus MR. We have given a triangle, right triangle PQR, PR perpendicular to QR and have to prove that PM square equal to QM plus RM. Here we have given in right angle triangle PQR, angle P equal to 90 degree, angle P equal to 90 degree, PM perpendicular to QR. By RHS similarity and triangle PMQ similar to triangle PMR, hence their corresponding sides are proportional, imply PM by RM equal to MQ by PM. By cross multiplication we get PM into PM equal to RM into MQ. Hence PM square equal to QM plus RM. Hence we complete the result. In question number 3, we have given ABT is a right angle triangle. ABD In question number 4, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AC equal to BC. Then have to prove AB squared equal to 2AC squared. We have given an isosceles right angle triangle ABC in which AC equal to BC and have to prove AB squared equal to 2AC squared. By Pythagoras theorem, we know AB squared equal to BC squared plus AC squared. Since AC equal to BC, therefore we can write BC squared equal to AC squared plus AC squared, which is equal to 2AC squared. Thus we complete the statement of the question number 4.